What's up, y'all? It's your girl Sasha P back at it again. I just wanted to give y'all a fresh view of my garden. This is how you can tell that your plants are about to hit a growth spurt. As y'all know, we had snow, we had a little bit of ice here and there, and we had a lot of rain. So my plants did survive, and I'm so proud and so thankful for all of the work that I was able to do, because I can see that these plants are about to hit that growth spurt, and they will be giant soon. Let me step back and give y'all a good view. I have collard greens, turnip greens, and Brussels sprouts. This is a beautiful Brussels. Here's another beautiful Brussels. Here's another beautiful Brussels. It's smaller. Here's another beautiful Brussels. I got the pansy from the Botanic Gardens. I have fed this garden. I have come out and chopped it. The good Lord provided lots of water, and I'm just happy that my plants survived all of this extreme weather. Also, I knew it was something I had to tell y'all. So I had planted some of my collard green seeds from last season, and I'm proud to announce that they are now growing. So what I did was transplanted them today, because I just needed to go ahead and do it. The fact that they survived, these are so strong. Beautiful Georgia Southern collard green. And it's pretty already, and it's super small. I'm gonna go back so you can see how small it really is. All right, everybody's looking good. How can you tell that your plants are about to hit a growth spurt? Well, it's a bunch of different ways that you can tell, but after there's a major snowstorm, ice storm, rainstorm, and those plants are just like looking better than ever, it's up from here. It's up from here. I'm just super glad I was able to get out here today. Even though the weather is really crazy, I was able to spend a few minutes in my garden and do some maintenance, and it's wonderful. I have orange peels out here. I have banana peels out here. Check that video out. Look at this one. I'm gonna chop this in. This is a banana peel. It looks great. It's gonna break down and give my plants lots of potassium, and they're gonna be big and green. I did the same process last year, and those plants were super giant. Growth spurt loading. I want to thank me. Period. I'm the only person that gets up and comes out here to do this. I don't ask for help from anyone. I just come out and do what I need to do, because I want to make sure that that I have food growing at all times. At all times. As long as something is growing from the earth year round for me, I think I'm doing what I need to do as a gardener, because you just never know what could happen. I have different plants, different sizes. Yep. So I'm gonna go now and check on breakfast. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. I will keep y'all posted. See you on the next one.